Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. So friends, in the previous lesson, we have learned how to write a validation rule on lead to check SIC code before product interest change to GC5000 series in Salesforce. So in the last lesson, we have write a validation rule based on the pick list value. Whenever pick list value change, we will be check a GC5000 series and we will be display error message before save the record of lead. In this lesson, we will be learn some different. In this lesson, we will be check multiple type of condition in validation rule. So friends, in this lesson, we will be write multiple condition in validation rule. The condition will be if and or. So friends, how to add multiple type of condition in validation rule in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to add if and or condition in validation rule, and we will be display validation error before save the record. So now let's get a start. So friends, in this lesson we will be learn about how to write a validation rule on lead to check rating field is mandatory before changing the lead status as a close converted or close not converted in Salesforce. So friends, in this validation rule we will be check two value of lead status. The value will be close converted or close not converted. So friends, if in the both of the value, if I selected one of them, then we will be display error message on the rating field. So here we will be check rating field. If rating field is not selected, and before save the record, we will be check status. If a status selected close converted or selected not converted, both are different value of lead status. So if one of the value if selected, then we will be display error message if rating field is blank. Friends, in this lesson we will be write three condition: if condition, and or condition. So scenario will be combination of three conditions. So now let's see the screenshot. So here you can find the below screenshot the live demo scenario of validation rule. So first go on the lead object, open one of the lead records. So friend, here you can see lead status and rating. Both are the pick list value. As per the condition, if lead status selected close converted and close not converted, then we will be check rating field. If rating not selected, then before saving the record, we will be display error message. Rating field is mandatory before changing the lead status work in close converted or close not converted. So friends, this scenario will be achieved through validation rule in Salesforce. So here you can see both of the pick list value. If one of the pick list value are selected, close converted and close not converted, before save the record, we will be check rating. If rating not selected, then we will be display error. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce code where we will be see lab demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. First go to the gear icon, click on the setup, then go on the object manager. Here we will be search my object. Here I am writing a validation rule on lead. So here I am searching lead. Then click on the lead. In the left sidebar, you will be find validation rule. Click on the validation rule. Then you will be jump on the next page. In the next page, you need to write a validation rule. So first you have to declare your validation rule name. Here I am writing validation rule for the rating. So here I am writing the name rating field validation. Then active should be checked. Then write a validation description. So description I am writing rating field is mandatory before change the lead status but close converted or close not converted. So this is a description part of the validation rule. Then move on the down. Here we will find the logic. So here I will be write a condition logic. So based on this condition logic, this validation rule will be work. So before writing a validation rule condition, let me go on the lead where will we check a scenario. So this is a lead. Let me open one record. It is the record. So friends, as per the scenario, this is a lead status. This is a rating. Both of the pick list value. So if I checking lead status, there are two value: close converted and close not converted. and there is a rating field. It is also a hot, warm, and cold. This is a pick list value. So as per the scenario, if I selecting close converted or close not converted, if one of the both are value I am selecting, then I am saving the record. Before saving the record, it will be check rating. If checking not selected any value, then it will be display error message through validation rule. So now let me jump to my validation rule. Here I am writing a condition. So here I will write a condition to check both of the value of pick list. So friends, here I will be write a condition. First I will be apply and. So in the right side function, I am selecting and this one. Inside the and I will be use or condition. Or here I am selecting or condition because in the lead status I will be check both of the value close converted and close not converted. So if one of the value selected from the lead status, we will be check rating field before saving the record. So here I am using or, and inside the or condition I will be use each peak value, this one, each peak value because lead status it is a peak list value. So I will be get the value from the each peak function here, and here I will be pass a field name. So friends, insert field lead status. This is a lead status. Insert comma single quote pass the value. So if you go to the field relationship, this is a lead status, and first value I will be pass close converted. Copy and pass here. Now comma, here I will be use another one peak value for the close converted node. So similarly here I am using each peak value, each peak, this one, this is peak value for the close converted node. So similarly here I am passing insert field status, lead status, comma single quote, here will be pass value close node converted, this one, pass the value. So first value I am passing close converted, second value I am passing close node converted inside the OR. So friends, let me check each pick list value close from here. Then I am using another one close converted from here, and this OR close here. So after OR function, I am putting comma, and after comma I will be use another one peak value for the rating. So you can see rating it is also peak list value. So after the OR condition I will put comma, then I will be apply each peak and insert function here. And friends, here I will be pass a field rating. So go to the insert field, select rating and comma and pass blank, because before save the record, if rating it blank, then if rating not selected any value, then we will be display validation rule. But then validation rule will be apply and display the error message. So in the condition I am checking if rating blank, then this logic will be apply and display error message. Now let me check syntax error. You can see no error found. So now let me go on the error message. Here I will be pass error message is, here I am passing message rating field is mandatory before checking the lead status work in close converted or close not converted. So friends, here I am passing a message rating field is mandatory before change the lead status work in close converted or close not converted. After that, move on the error location. There are two options, top of the page and field. So where you want to display error message. Here I am displaying error message on the below the field. So here I am displaying rating. So this message will be displayed below the rating field. Now let me save the validation rule. Validation rule has been saved successfully. Now let me go on the lead object. So now let me open one of the record. Let me one record open. Edit the record. And friends, as per the scenario, go to the leader status. Both have the pick list value, leader status and rating. If I selecting close converted in leader status and not selecting any value of rating. Now I am trying to save the record. See, validation rule apply and display error message. Rating field is mandatory before change the lead status not in close converted or close not converted. If any of the value from the lead status selecting close converted or close not converted, then validation rule will be applied and display the error message. Now let me select another one value. This time I am selecting close not converted. This one. I am trying to save. It will be error same. You can see here displaying same error. Rating field is mandatory. But if I selecting another one value, now let me select working converted. So friend, now let me select working converted. Now let me save. You can see record has been saved successfully. Now edit the record once again. Now let me select close converted and save. It will be throw error. Now let me select rating field. If I selecting hard, then it will be saved because rating field not blank. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get directly working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.